Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ami. Today I have created this very beautiful, very elegant Alia Bhatt Met Gala 2023 eye makeup look. It was super fun and super easy to create. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, please continue to watch, and at the end please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow and share.
But let's get started. So her skin, she is super glowy and there's like no marks at all on her face. So I'm just going to cover everything that I have, all the blemishes and all the spots that I have on my face. So let's do that first. For that, I'm going to be first using this Professional from Benefit poreless primer to cover all my pores, both of the primer. I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York Mastercamo palette to cover all my blemishes and wet spots and everything. I'm just going to be using my finger because I think it's faster that way to cover my dark spots, which I'll try to also cover with the foundation. For now, let's see how this goes. Right, now that my skin looks somewhat even like hers and a little bit glowy because her skin is super glowy, so I just want to make sure that I maintain that throughout my makeup. What I'm going to use next is I'll be using this Naked Skin Urban Decay foundation, and this is in shade 7.0. I always go back to this one even though, you know, I tried the other foundations and this is actually, it's almost done. This is my second bottle. My face and my neck looks even, or as close to the same skin tone as possible. I don't know what kind of burn I have over here. It's on both sides, unfortunately, so it doesn't matter how much I try to cover with the foundation, somehow it still shows a little bit, but it's okay. I anyways put the contour over there and blush, so it kind of, you know, covers. And I'll be using this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer, and this is the shade Tan Sand. And this concealer, oh my goodness, is really nice. Let me just blend this. Alright, now that I have my concealer and foundation set, I'm going to set my face with e.l.f. Hello Glow Setting Powder. Since this one already has glow, I thought to use this one because I need as much as glow as possible on my face. So for that, I'm just going to be using the cap, and I'm just going to set this under my eyes and on my smile lines. Just a little bit because I have applied the setting powder. I'm just going to put the concealer on my eyes. And then use this Hello Glow concealer all over my eyelid. Setting powder and set my eyes. So before I take the setting powder, I'm using the drier side and just making sure that there is no crease, and then I am going to grab some powder and place it on my eyes. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to wipe off this excess. I'm going to use this Smashbox Double Exposure palette, facial highlighter, and I'll be using this below her, and then that shimmer is from Ulta Beauty. Small shadow brush. It's in the number is 42. So she has, as you can see, she has blended on the outer corner of her eyes. She has eyeshadow on the outer corner of her eyes and on the inner corner. So I'm just putting like a wing. So once I place the eyeshadow, I use the blending brush, and this is from Elizabeth Mott. And she has applied a glitter. So I'll be using this bronzy glitter right here. I'll just use my finger. And for the inner corner, she has used the lighter eyeshadow, and I'm using this one. And I'm taking eyeshadow with my pinky, and I'm just placing it right here to brighten my eyes. I'm using the same dark eyeshadow that I used before for this one. And I'm just placing it. Now I'm taking the kajal. This is from L'Oreal Paris Volumizing Small Glowing Eyeliner, and I'm using this as a eyeliner. A little bit on the top of my eyeliner. Blend it. That's the small shadow. I'll be using a natural eyelash because she didn't put like too heavy eyelash, so I'm just going to be using that, and I'm going to apply a mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so let me finish the second eye look. So let me finish the other eye as well and put the lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to use the bronzer, and I'm using this Tarte waterproof bronzer. And if you notice that she has not done too much of a bronzer, it's very subtle. So I'm just going to do the same thing. So she has a very peachy blush. So I'm using the same. I'll be using this with my brush, using this Magic Touch blush. Very peachy pink. And I'll be just using highlighter, and I'm using this Milani glowing highlighter on top of my on higher points of my face. That'll be my nose. She has a very glowy face. And for the lips, I'm going to be using a very nude pinkish lip. So I'm going to use this matte lip pencil that's from Mary Joke. And I'll be using this MAC Retro lipstick. Just going to use this ST lip gloss. It's in shade Tempting Melon.